Okay, so I by no means am a professional logger. So anything I say, take it with a grain of salt because I'm a total noob. But I've learned a thing or two cutting down some of these trees the right way and the wrong way. So I'll try to show you both ways. If you're gonna be taking down some trees, you're going to want to pick up a set of good wedges. So these ones, K&H Distribution Company out of Oregon, and then I got these ones. Basically are just Chinese ones, and I wouldn't recommend buying these ones because they just do not survive. So anyways, yeah, if you're gonna get them, get these wedges. I'll put the name right there if you can see it. So this is the first tree that I took down, and as you can see, it's an absolute disaster. And I was trying to actually get it to fall this way, but the whole thing actually jumped, actually ended up landing over here, and then fell that way. So I'll put that in the video. That's the incorrect way of doing it. So on this one, I'm gonna try the conventional notch. It's got a bit of a lean to it. So I'm gonna have to get the wedges and try to bang it over this way. Yeah, that one was a fail. I seem to always have a problem with leaners when they're leaning back and you have to wedge them over. I always seem to run out of wedges or can't get the other wedges in, so I end up about almost there and then it won't go. And then on this occasion, I'm an idiot because I cut the notch side, which you should never do. I just kind of got fed up. And then it bit down on my blade, and then I got my saw stuck. I just, yeah, the blade, the chain came off, and then hopefully I can get it back together. Anyways, don't do that. It's stupid. Got lucky, but definitely don't do any of these techniques that I'm doing in the video. Let's do a mulligan. Take two. I'll try to redeem myself on this one. We got the same scenario, leaning this way, and I want it to fall this way, the same path as these trees. So, wish me luck. Tried to get my wedge in before this back leaner basically fell on my blade, and yeah, it fell back pretty hard. So I got my chainsaw stuck in there now, and the tree's falling the wrong way. So it's gonna fall that way, and I don't know how to get my blade out. So that's fun. Current situation, took the blade right off. Trying to get this thing out of there. So I'll let you know when I get it out of there. These small trees are tricky because as soon as you get your cut in, I didn't have enough time to put my wedge in, so what happened is it's naturally leaning this way, and by the time I even had the chance to get my wedge in, the tree already came back and was binding. Also, I'm not the best tree cutter, so since the tree is already gonna fall this way, I think I'm just gonna take my other saw and just kind of hit this notch out a bit, and hopefully it falls over and doesn't wreck my blade, because I cannot get this thing out of there. So yeah, I'll see how it goes. Got my blade back though. Jesus. And we're super hung up. Like bad. So I'll try to pull that out with the quad when I have the sec. Not a big deal. Just gotta tie a rope and pull it out this way. Anyways, I'm gonna buck some stuff up. Okay, so the chainsaw's all back together for the second time today. So took down 4 trees and had to take my chainsaw apart twice. So not the most successful today. That's for sure. You may not know, but we were planning on building a cabin here. We had the septic guy out yesterday to do some soil samples on where to put the septic filled. So we had some holes here dug with the excavator. He did a couple soil samples here, over here. Anyways, our building site is over here on this little edge over here. I'll show you the view real quick. So, cabin's going here. I'm gonna probably take down those trees. Yeah. So the plan today is to take down these trees. Got a lot to take down. Got to clear basically a 10 feet that way by 30 feet this way for the septic field. So this guy's coming down. All these guys are coming down. We're gonna have a pile of firewood. Hopefully it goes good. First things first, gotta sharpen up our saws. Nothing's better than cutting down trees with sharp saws. If you have a dull saw, it makes your life very difficult. We're gonna quickly sharpen them up. I have a video on these if you guys need to see. Just check out some of my other videos. I have a video on how to sharpen the chain. So on your saw, you have this line on the top right here. That's your falling line. So what you want to do is when you want to aim your tree to a certain area, say if I want to go that way, I want to have my line cutting this way. So when you cut into the tree, your notch, you want to make sure that your falling line is in the direction that you want to fall the tree. Good to notch the tree, give yourself a scribe line so that you know you're a little bit above this line right here, so that you kind of create a wedge when you come down so the tree doesn't slide back and hit you. Even though all these trees seem to almost hit me. Nope. Almost there. So this is an example of a properly cut down tree. So as you can see right here, this is all stretched out. This is your hinge basically. So when you cut your notch, you want to go here and then back, cut this flat right here. And then for your back cut, you want to go heat and leave about 1 inch right here of non-cut material, and that acts as a lever, so when your tree's falling over, it's not going to be out of control. It's going to be a nice controlled fall.
Yeah!
Finish him!
Huh? Not bad, eh? Timber. Oh wow, she's holding on. Okay, hold on. I'll restart it again. Hey. Alright, have at her. Keep going. It's moving. Oh yeah. You have to bury that one. There, now it's on it's straight. The tree's straight now. You want me to whack at it a bit?
I don't want to, not fun.
No, that one looked like it moved a bit. No, not at all. You're gonna have to bust out this big one pretty soon. Hopefully that. Oh. Damn. We're almost there, but we have no wedge. Shit. Huh. Roto wedges. It's gonna go, it's just. Hey!